What's new?
What's new? Galaxy S23 Ultra.
Nice.
Not just nice, the display automatically adjusts color and contrast to the content and surroundings. It's called Vision Booster.
Okay.
Watch this.
Whoa! Can you even drive this thing?
Look, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy.
Increasing GPU, CPU, NPU.
We've got the most powerful processor on Samsung Galaxy.
Stop, stop, stop! Whoa!
Can't stop. This processor is more efficient, so I can keep going.
Hey, you're underwater?
Sir, focus! Galaxy S23 Ultra was designed with a Hornet in mind. See, 20% recycled ocean-wearing plastic, 22% recycled glass, and 80% PET film.
This is the perfect place for astrophotography with Expert RAW.
Expert who?
Just wait and see.
Look at you with your fancy pen.
It's the S Pen. So mighty, I can use it to adjust color curve, exposure with absolute precision. Here, let's take a selfie.
Here? Now?
Yeah, it's got nightography. With AI object-aware engine that recognizes details like skin, eyebrows, hair.
Can you send me that?
Done.
Hey, where's your sled?
Don't need one. It's more fun filming you with nightography. Galaxy S23 Ultra got 2 times wider OIS and improved AI for more stable night videos.
You took that?
That is 200 megapixels of epic detail. So I can pinch, crop, scale, however I like.
Where are you taking me now?
Here.
That was epic.
Hey, what's new?
You've got to check this out.